dichotomy. What's that? He keeps Alaska cold?
We don't have air conditioning.
Ever? Well, then he's just HV.
HV pump?
That's the AC part there, dog. Also, I've been here in the summer. You fucking better have some fucking AC. You just need it for like 9 days. You need it. You're like, man, I'm glad we got this. So you're just fucking heater, air conditioning, and then fucking mountaintops. That's awesome. Do you also have a reggae band? I just feel like you also do other cool shit. And are these your friends here? All the way down to Red Baron, or all the way down? All the way down. Oh, and you know him too? Fuck yeah. You have to carry him down Denali. It's your fucking arm, bro. Why are we carrying you? What they keep offering you? Damn, what is it, a paved road now? Are people doing enough? They're like, just use the elevator. It's fine. I had visions of your... There's fucking like announcements and shit. Like, we need a wheelchair to fucking elevation 12.5. Get them up here. Yeah. Rotator cuff. Did your friends ditch you, or they're like, fucking, no, we didn't come here to fucking watch you get hurt?